Have you ever noticed how the smartest person in the room often becomes the most misunderstood or even disliked? From history's greatest thinkers being exiled to modern geniuses being labeled weird or arrogant, society has a complicated relationship with intelligence. But why? Intelligent people challenge norms, ask uncomfortable questions, and see the world differently, and that can be terrifying to those who prefer simplicity and conformity. Here's why society often fears the highly intelligent. Most people find comfort in routine and tradition. Intelligent individuals, however, tend to question everything from societal structures to long-held beliefs. This makes them unpredictable, and unpredictability breeds fear. Historical examples: Galileo was persecuted for proving the earth revolved around the sun. Socrates was executed for corrupting the youth with critical thinking. Modern parallels: visionary entrepreneurs like Elon Musk are often mocked before their ideas gain acceptance. When someone challenges what everyone else accepts as truth, it forces people to reconsider their own beliefs, and that cognitive dissonance is uncomfortable. Intelligent people naturally see flaws in logic, gaps in knowledge, and inconsistencies in arguments. When they point these out even unintentionally, it can make others feel insecure. The too smart stereotype. Many intelligent people are accused of being know-it-alls, simply because their knowledge highlights what others don't know. Social rejection. Studies show that in group settings, the most intelligent person is often excluded because they make others feel inadequate. Nobody likes feeling ignorant, and when intelligence serves as a mirror to that ignorance, the natural reaction is defensiveness or even hostility. Highly intelligent people often think in abstract, complex ways that the average person may not follow. This can lead to miscommunication. Their ideas may be dismissed as overcomplicating things. Loneliness. Many geniuses throughout history, like Nikola Tesla, struggled with isolation because few could relate to their thought processes. When society can't understand someone, the easiest response is to label them as odd or out of touch. Intelligent individuals often see through manipulation, propaganda, and unjust hierarchies. This makes them dangerous to those in power. Political fear. Dictators and authoritarian regimes frequently target intellectuals first because educated minds resist control. Corporate resistance. Innovative thinkers in business often clash with traditional leadership that fears change. Intelligence is power, and those who hold power don't always want competition. Research shows that people prefer leaders and peers who are likable over those who are highly intelligent. This is why charisma often wins. Many people would rather follow someone charming but average than someone brilliant but socially awkward. The down-to-earth bias. Society romanticizes regular folks and distrusts those who seem too smart. Intelligence can be intimidating, and when given the choice, many would rather surround themselves with comfort than challenge. The fear of intelligence isn't about IQ points, it's about disruption. Smart people make others think, question, and adapt, and that's a frightening prospect for a society built on predictability. But history shows us that progress depends on those who dare to think differently. So, if you've ever been called too smart for your good, take it as a compliment. You're doing something right. Question for reflection. Have you ever felt pressure to downplay your intelligence to fit in? How did you handle it?